I don't really think that there's ever been anything in my life that I've set my mind on that I haven't accomplished.
A flight attendant is a really fun job, but I wanted more than fun. I saw how the pilots were respected, and I really envied them.
Good enough is never good enough for me. Try to challenge myself.
Your mama's gonna be a pilot someday, Mama.
Why don't I try to become a pilot? I also want to do more.
The idea of a flight attendant choosing to go to flight school and learn to fly and to become a pilot 25 to 30 years ago, that would have been dismissed as just impossible. I've flown with about 1,000 different pilots, and I've seen 2 women.
Young women are not expected to be pilots.
Boys go and fly airplanes. They drive, fast cars. Girls just aren't encouraged to do something that, boys do.
No aircraft recognizes gender. The only thing the aircraft recognizes is competence.
This group has a special bond as we're all flight attendants and we understand one another.
I just don't think you see enough of women supporting women.
I guess you could say we're like aviation's 5 musketeers in a way.
Piper 43241 at the fuel pit with information X-ray taxi 29 right with Redondo.
Walking down the concourse in my pilot uniform versus my flight attendant uniform will give me a feeling that I made it.
It's my dream of being a successful pilot.